If you want to know how to buy shares of Selective Insurance Group Inc., this quick guide will walk you through the practical steps. Selective Insurance Group Inc. is a property and casualty insurer listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SIGI, and this is educational content, not financial advice. First, you need a broker account. I use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will typically verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search field and type the ticker SIGI to locate the company listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing that matches Selective Insurance Group Inc. On the asset page, you will see a brief company profile, coverage information, and a price chart to review, so confirm this is the correct Selective Insurance Group Inc. listing. Take a moment to verify the ticker and mark it before proceeding. To buy, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to commit, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order will usually be queued and executed when trading opens. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, you will see the position in your portfolio, and you can monitor it from there. Find the example eToro link in the description if you want to follow along.